This is the 2025 Acura MDX. And in today's Vehicle Visionary video, I'm going to show you what to do if you open the tailgate, the power tailgate on your 25 MDX, or really even a 24 or older, and it's too low like it is right now, or maybe it's too high. It just may not be at the right setting for what you need. You'll notice right here, it says hold to set height right there above that button. So what we're going to do is we're going to move that all the way up. I'm going to hold the button down and listen for the beeps. And now I'm going to close the power tailgate. Bear with me here for just a few seconds. And then when I open it back up, you'll notice that it opens up all the way, or it will open to wherever you set it after holding that button. That's how easy it is to do. So hopefully this was helpful for you. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to hit the like button. That helps me out a lot. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't done so already. That way you don't miss any future videos. And if you would like to learn about additional vehicles you may wish to consider purchasing, check out the video that's on the screen right now, and I'll see you there.